What's up, bud?
Oh, I'm gonna stand up on the ground.
Alright. Let's see what you got. Is that your Easter outfit?
Oh, you look the best.
Pretty cute, man. Hey, Marley. Look, what's that? Did the Easter bunny come? Come on. Let's go see what's that.
Marley, what's this?
Oh, Easter eggs. What is that?
He's got number 1.
Shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
What's in there? Oh. You found a cracker.
Oh, already.
Ooh, goodies. Oh, yummy. Not the whole thing. Take a bite.
Make sure it isn't,
Oh, just a little bit. Bite it.
See, by the time he gets the last cookie, he's gonna be like,
Mmm.
oh,
Cracker,
another
cracker.
cookie.
Why don't bite one? Oh, that's a big bite. Can you handle all that? I guess we'll find out, huh? Look at Marley. What's that? Is that another one? Go get him.
What's this?
Look at.
He's like, oh, there's a lot of them. Look at, there's this one.
Oh, there's another one.
Watch out for the litter box, little baby.
Yeah. Here. Here. I'll hold on to him for you.
Yeah, he'll hold on to it for you.
Look at. There's
Look
another one.
Marley.
Go get that one. Go get it.
Oh. There's something in there? He's like, these are pretty cool. I'm gonna put these together.
Wish I have his basket to put the eggs in. Okay. Come on, Marley. Let's go get this one.
Look at.
Yeah. Oh.
That one's got different treaties.
Awesome. Best Easter ever.
Dude, that's tight. They're all different. Marley, there's another.
Come on, buddy. Come on, look it. Get this one. Get that one. Marley. Come here, baby.
It's putting on his cheek. Oh. Look it. What's in that one? Let's find out. Oh, oh, it's another cracker. Mmm. These are good crackers.
Look, Marley. There's another one.
Look at his trail of destruction.
Yeah. That's where it came from. Ooh,
Oh.
little baby fart. Little Easter fart.
Oh, yeah. You want a bite?
Ooh,
Get a little bit of
yummy.
rewards.
That's the good stuff, huh?
Mm.
Say thanks,
What's
Easter
this one?
Bunny. Okay, there's one hiding.
Oh, he jumps. Oh, Yahtzee.
Look it, there's another one.
Look at this one. He tried to catch it that time. Are you ready for another bite? No, you eat those? Good boy.
Mmm.
Thank you, Mr. Bunny. You know exactly what I like. Look at this one, Marley. Marley, look. Are you taking that one with you?
This Easter stuff's a lot of work, huh, man?
Yeah. Did you see that price tag off of that chair in front? The sticker?
Oh, you don't want Marley to see?
That one's nice.
Whoa, what's this? What's this?
Did you see it?
He looked over at it. Go on, Marley.
Marley, look.
It's another one.
Oh. Nope, you're going back.
Wrong way.
Look it. There's one more. The middle.
What's
He
this?
dropped everything. He's like,
Oh.
what?
What's all that? Ooh, ball, chicken, toys, chair.
Awesome.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, baby. You found your Easter basket.
It's all yours.
Ball. Ball matches the chair. Tight.
Pretty cool. You like it? You want your little chicken?
Oh, he's chirping.
Here, you want to sit in your chair? Pop him in there.
Want to sit?
It's cars.
Big man chair.
Ooh.
Yay!
Nice. You like it? Is it comfy? Cool stuff, man.
There's the big Easter boy. And his big man chair.
Now you have your own piece of furniture.
You want me to take it out for you? Here's your cracker. Maybe I should break it. Yeah, let's go.
What's up, Mom?
So, best Easter ever.
Sweet. You like it, Marley? You like it?
Take your big man chair. He's like, this is just my size. It's perfect. Yeah, they really don't want this toy thing right here.
Alright. See ya.